I don't think we pose a threat to them.
No.
So, beside the nuclear weapon and nuclear explosion and destroying the planet, and I think they care about the planet and cosmos, as you said. And it's not like they care about us.
No.
Majority of those sightings are because of nuclear activities.
Yeah.
Either it's like missiles, weapons, or nuclear power grids, or nuclear facilities, or nuclear leaks.
Yes.
In like different parts of the world. Then it makes it easier to believe that right now they're showing up to kind of control things, kind of cool things down. It's like, no, you don't get to decide like if you want to go to war. There is no third world war in our watch. Since they blew up Hiroshima and Nagasaki, then it was like all these UFOs coming up.
Yes.
And even the testing in
Manhattan Project.
the testing size of Manhattan Project, they were witnessing UFOs.